Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter without honey. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of roasted peanuts, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil like vegetable or canola oil. Make sure your peanuts are unsalted so you can control the flavor. A good food processor or high-speed blender is key for achieving that creamy texture. Now let's get blending. Add your 2 cups of roasted peanuts to your food processor. Begin processing and you'll notice the peanuts transform. Initially, they'll become fine crumbs, then form a ball, and finally, after about 5 to 10 minutes, they'll release their natural oils and turn into a smooth, creamy butter. Remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl every minute or so. Once your peanut butter is mostly smooth, it's time to season it. Add about a half teaspoon of salt to bring out that delicious peanut taste. If you prefer a thinner, creamier consistency, drizzle in 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola. Continue processing for another 1 or 2 minutes until it reaches your perfect texture. Congratulations, you've made your own delicious, honey-free peanut butter. Carefully spoon your freshly made spread into an airtight container. It will stay fresh and tasty in your refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 weeks. This homemade treat is perfect on toast, with fruit, or as an ingredient in your favorite recipes. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.